Hey, welcome to my first voiceover. So I got this 10-year of Illumicrate special edition of the Arc of Scythe trilogy. I got an email from Illumicrate because I signed up for a wait list, so I had the opportunity and I grabbed it because they're so beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. The fine gleanings, short stories from the world of Scythe, and my favorite of the trilogy, Thunderhead. That ending. Look at that. Thunderhead. So nice. The end paper is so pretty. And that. Oh. So gorgeous. Look at that. Oh no. Cleanings. The artwork is artworking. Look at those end papers. Pretty. And that. Oh, amazing. The toll. That's the third book, and it's pretty nice. The ending was pretty cool. Look, wow, so nice, pretty, amazing, beautiful. Scythe. Yep, that's the villain. Good art. Look at that. This is the scene. Thou shalt not kill. So ironic.